Percentage is one of the most commonly used formulas in Excel. Whether you are an accountant, a data analyst, or someone who regularly uses Excel to create reports, the percentage formula is one of those you need to master. Today, we will be looking at how to perform calculations using the percentage formula. Calculations such as percentage decrease, percentage increase, percentage change, and other alternative ways to go about these calculations. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. Let's first start with percentage addition and subtraction. As you can see on my workbook, I have a table with list of prices on column A and percentages on column B. Let's calculate percentage increase or percentage addition on column C, which are named markup prices. To do this, we'll type the equal to sign, then we'll select the price, then we'll addition, open brackets, select the price again, then we'll multiply it by the percentage and press enter. So this will be our new markup price. To get the other prices, we simply click on the cell and bring the cursor to the lower right hand corner of the cell and drag it down. Excel will autofill all the other prices for us. Let's look at percentage subtraction. Here on our column D, we have discount price. We want to calculate percentage subtraction, which is our discount price. We type equal to, then we'll select the price again, then we'll minus into brackets the price again, then we'll multiply it by the percentage. Press enter. And we'll drag it down. We click on the cell and drag it down like I did for the other cell. Excel will autofill the other prices for us. Okay, let's say we do not have this column here. Let's say we don't have the column with the percentages, but we want to add percentages to this our starting prices. How do we go about it? Let me first of all hide this cell and let's see how we can calculate it. Okay, so to do it, let's say we don't have a percentage column anymore, but we want to add percentages to these prices. How do we go about it? We'll type equal to in the cell, then select the price, multiply it, and open bracket 1. When we type the 1, we can either, if we want to increase it by percentage, we type the plus sign. If we want to decrease it, we type the minus sign. So let's increase it by typing the plus sign. So by what percentage, whatever percentage that we want to type, we want to increase it. So we'll type the percentage that we want to increase the price by. Let's say 20%. And we'll close 20%. You add a percentage, then we close brackets and press enter. So this will be the price. But in this case, let's say if I autofill the other cells by dragging it down like this, you see it has added 20%. If you look closely, it has added 20% to all the other product prices. 20%, you see. So this will only work if you want to add a fixed percentage to all your prices. But otherwise, if you want to have varying percentages, like how we had it on this column. It's good to use it to write the percentages down like this. This one is convenient. This one is only for this alternative formula is only for fixed percentage. Okay, let's look at our second example. On our second example, we want to calculate percentage change, and on this table we have, let's say you got to work and your manager gave you a worksheet with actual price and budget price, and you are required to calculate the percentage change. To do this, you type the equal to sign, open brackets, you pick the budget price minus the actual price, then divided by the budget price, and press enter. But because you want to make this, do you see why we are having the dollar sign? Because it's in accounting. Yeah, it's in accounting. We want to change it to what percentage. Okay, so press percentage. You see what has happened? It has changed. So we want to get the other percentage changes. We simply click on the lower right hand corner of the cell and drag it down. See, it has changed. It has auto converted it for us. See, it has also converted. The first one was in decimal. This one is in decimal, so it has changed. Let's look at another example here. On this example, we want to calculate the percentage per sale. So here on this table, we have list of waitresses or workers for a restaurant, and we have the sales they have turned in per month. Each waiter has a sale they have turned in per month, and we want to determine the percentage of sales each worker has turned in. So to do this, we click on the cell and we press equal to. Then we select the sales of the waiter divided by the total sales here. Then press enter. See, it's 7%. And let's do something. If we want to get the other waiters percentages, let's drag it down. You see something? An error. Okay, this error. See, it's showing that if you see the formula here, it's showing that our total sales this time is at column this. That means the total sales value is changing from the value on cell B10 is changing downward. That's why this one is not having, it's showing infinite. There's nothing here, it's empty, so it's showing error. How do we correct this? To correct this, we click on the formula and we type the dollar sign in front of the B, and also type a dollar sign in front of the 10. This will make it has picked up the cell. It's going to make sure that this cell is fixed. This is fixed. It's not going to be changing on the formula. We'll press enter. So now we can autofill the other cells to change correctly. See, that's changed correctly.